Hi everyone. Today, we're checking out 15 space-saving Amazon products that will help you make the most of your small space. Whether you want to organize your kitchen or closet, create a cozy home office, or find ways to host guests, these products are perfect for you. This flow wall desk is a true game changer for small spaces, especially if you work from home but lack a dedicated office area. Mounted directly on the wall, this desk folds down when you're ready to work and folds up into a neat, compact unit when you're done, freeing up valuable floor space. It's perfect for tiny apartments where every square foot counts. You get a functional workspace without sacrificing any space, making this desk an essential for apartment dwellers looking to stay productive. If you're looking for a smart way to use that narrow gap between your fridge and the wall, this slim storage cart is the perfect solution. With its sleek, minimalistic design, this cart fits into tight spaces that most people overlook. It has multiple shelves, perfect for storing kitchen essentials like spices, oils, or cleaning supplies, and it comes with a handle for easy mobility. The slim design doesn't compromise storage capacity, and the wheels make it incredibly easy to pull out and access everything when needed. Whether you're in a small kitchen, bathroom, or even laundry room, this cart maximizes vertical space while staying out of the way when you don't need it. Need a guest bed but don't have a spare room? The Ivation Inflatable Bed solves that problem in an instant. This air mattress is not only comfortable but inflates and deflates with the push of a button. It even has built-in legs, so it unfolds into a regular bed height, making it feel like a real bed rather than a flimsy air mattress on the floor. Once you're done using it, it folds up neatly into a compact storage bag. Ideal for hosting overnight guests in tiny apartments, this bed gives you a cozy sleeping option without permanently taking up space. This magnetic storage rack is a kitchen must-have, especially if you're short on counter or cupboard space. It attaches directly to the side of your fridge or any magnetic surface and provides an instant shelf for storing spices, oils, or even paper towels. It also comes with hooks for hanging utensils or oven mitts, maximizing every inch of your kitchen. The sleek, minimalist design blends into any kitchen decor, and since it's magnetic, you can easily move it around or remove it when not in use. Ironing boards are notorious for taking up a lot of space, but the foldable ironing board changes that. It attaches securely to the wall, providing a sturdy surface for ironing while allowing it to be conveniently folded away when not in use. Ideal for small laundry rooms, apartments, or closets, this ironing board eliminates the hassle of setting up and storing a traditional freestanding model. With a simple fold-down mechanism, it transforms from a compact, tucked-away panel into a full-sized ironing surface in seconds. The wall-mounted design not only saves floor space but also keeps the ironing board easily accessible, making it a practical and efficient solution for everyday use. Small homes often lack designated workspaces, but this convertible floating workstation gives you a functional desk without taking up floor space. This fold-out desk can be mounted in your living room, bedroom, or even kitchen. It folds neatly against the wall when not in use, becoming almost invisible, but when you're ready to work, it provides a sturdy, spacious surface for your laptop and other essentials. It comes with additional storage shelves, allowing you to keep your office supplies handy. Whether you're a student or working from home, this floating desk turns any space into an efficient workspace. Books can easily clutter up a small space, but with invisible floating bookshelves, you can store your favorite reads while adding a touch of modern style. These unique shelves give the illusion that your books are floating on the wall, adding visual interest without bulky furniture. Perfect for those who love the look of minimalism, these shelves make use of vertical space, turning tight spaces into functional storage. Closet space is always a premium in small apartments, but this clothes rack offers a compact solution. This open closet features a sturdy rail for hanging clothes, as well as bottom shelf for shoes, accessories, and storage containers. It's a perfect fit for a bedroom or entryway, giving you additional storage without the need for bulky furniture. The sleek design is both practical and stylish, allowing you to keep your clothes organized and accessible. Dining tables can be space hogs, especially if you live in a tiny space, but this rectangle dining table set is a game changer. This set features a table that folds down into a compact size when not in use and comes with matching chairs that can be neatly stored underneath. It's perfect for small kitchens or dining areas where space is limited but you still want to enjoy sit-down meals. When it's time to eat, unfold the table and chairs for a comfortable dining experience. Afterward, it all folds away, freeing up precious floor space. If you're looking for multi-functionality, this transformer ottoman has it all. It starts as a simple ottoman, but it can be transformed into a coffee table or even split into up to 5 small chairs. Whether you need extra seating for guests or a place to rest your feet, this ottoman does it all. When not in use, it folds back into a compact cube, saving valuable space. The lightweight structure makes it easy to move around, while the compact form ensures it fits well in smaller living areas. This collapsible shoe rack organizer is a versatile storage solution designed to keep your footwear neatly organized and easily accessible. Featuring multiple tiers, this shoe rack allows you to store several pairs of shoes in a compact space. Its collapsible design means you can easily fold it down when not in use, saving space and making it convenient for storage or travel. Made from durable materials, it provides stability while being lightweight and easy to assemble. Drying clothes in a small apartment is always a challenge, but this clothes drying rack offers a smart solution. This rack mounts directly to your wall and folds down when you need to hang your laundry. Afterward, it folds back up, leaving your space clutter-free. It's perfect for small bathrooms or balconies, providing a way to dry clothes without taking up floor space. Mugs are notorious for taking up way too much cabinet space, but with adjustable mug stackers, you can easily double your storage capacity. These organizers utilizes unused airspace between your mugs and the shelf, allowing you to lift them on top of each other without risk of chipping. The expandable legs make it suitable for various sizes and shapes of drinkware, fitting perfectly in cabinets or pantries. Simply place one stacker on a mug and another upside down on top, then adjust to the size needed. This practical organizer is a great alternative to wire shelving units, maximizing minimal space usage. It's perfect for corner cabinets or spice racks. Closet space in a tiny apartment can disappear quickly, but this space-saving hanger is a clever way to organize your wardrobe. With 5 tiers, this hanger allows you to hang multiple pairs of pants vertically or horizontally, maximizing storage in your closet. Made from durable stainless steel, it ensures longevity and rust resistance while maintaining a sleek appearance. The foldable design makes it easy to store when not in use, saving space in your wardrobe. Each tier is designed to hold pants securely without slipping, keeping them neatly arranged. Perfect for small apartments or shared wardrobes, it offers a practical and stylish way to store your clothing. Ever struggle with organizing folded clothes, towels, or linens? The Stackable Closet Organizer is here to save the day. These lightweight shelves stack neatly, allowing you to create additional space in your closet or laundry area. They're also foldable, so you can easily store them away when not in use. These organizers are ideal for keeping your clothes tidy without having them tumble over in a messy pile. Perfect for seasonal storage or creating more room for your wardrobe. And there you have it. Which product are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments.